Welcome all. I hope you are taking special care of your health. Please stay home and be safe. Let's begin our today's class. We are going to know about past perfect tense. This tense is also called the past of the past. Why? Let's focus on a situation. Ram and Shyam are two friends. They went to a party last week. They didn't meet each other. Why? Because Ram returned home at 8 pm and Shyam arrived at the party at 9 pm. So Ram had gone to home before Shyam arrived at the party. So this situation is of a past perfect tense. This tense is used to express an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Okay, Ram had gone at a certain moment earlier than the Shyam arrived at the party. Ram had gone to home is a past perfect tense, but Shyam arrived at the party. Shyam arrived at the party is a past indefinite tense. Here we use two tenses, past indefinite as well as past perfect tense. So this is the past of the past. One more example. We had reached the ground before the match started. Okay, so this tense is used whenever we wish to say that some action had taken place before another was begun or completed. One more example to understand better. The patient had died before the doctor came. The patient had died earlier. It is an earlier action. And after that, the doctor came. The doctor came is the later action. So something happened before something has started or completed. The action that took place earlier is put in past perfect tense, and the action that took place later is put in the past indefinite tense. The action that took place earlier, as the patient had died, it is an earlier action, and we have written this in past perfect tense because we use here had as a helping verb and died as the main verb, and which is the V3. And the action that took place later, as in the above case, the doctor came later is the later action. Here we put the past indefinite tense. The doctor came. Came is the second form of verb. This is actually a complex sentence. In this tense, we have two types of sentences. Simple sentences, which is written with the help of by, already, before, ago. Example, I had finished my work by evening. Here we use only past perfect tense. We use had plus V3, finished. They had already taken coffee. This is also a simple sentence, and we use in both these in the earlier sentence we use why, and the later sentence we use already. So these are the simple sentences. In this tense, we also see complex sentences. And in complex sentences, we have two clauses, principal clause and subordinate clause. Principal clause is written in past perfect tense, and subordinate clause is written in past indefinite tense. As I said earlier, this is the past of the past tense. Example, I had done my exercises when Harry came to see me. I had done my exercises. I have completed my exercises. It is the earlier action, and it is written in past perfect tense, and this is the principal clause. When Harry came to see me. Harry came to see me is a subordinate clause, and it is written in past indefinite tense because here we use came. second form of verb. So here is two clauses, principal clause as well as subordinate clause, and so this sentence is complex sentence. He told me that he had passed the examination. He had passed the examination. This is the earlier action, and after that he told me about his examination. So he had passed the examination is a principal clause, and he told me is a subordinate clause. Again, it is a complex sentence because here we use two clauses. Now, how we make sentences? So the sentence structure. Affirmative sentence. Sentences: subject plus had plus be3 plus object plus other words. Your subject may be first person, second person or third person. Your subject may be singular, plural. It may be any subject, but remember your helping verb used had plus v3 plus object plus other words. So examples: he had written the letter. This is a simple sentence. Here only one clause is used. He had written the letter. The thief had gone before the police came. Had and v3. Gone is v3. Negative sentences: subject plus had not plus v3 plus object plus other words. We had not finished our work before you came. This is complex sentence. Here we use both tenses, past perfect as well as past indefinite. First one is we had not finished our work. This is negative sentence, and before you came is a past indefinite tense. So this is a complex sentence. And which part is the past perfect tense? You know better. We had not finished our work. I had not punished him till yesterday. I had not punished him is a negative sentence of the past perfect tense. Till yesterday is used here, so this is a simple sentence. And how to make interrogative sentences? First of all, helping verb had, after that subject plus be3 plus object plus other words. Examples: had you finished your work by 3 p.m.? Lastly, put question mark. Had he passed the matriculation? Had we already finished our work? Had I recognized him before you told me about him? So in this tense we use helping verb had plus v3. Remember it. And here we have two types of sentences, simple as well as complex sentences, and this tense is used to tell stories about the past. So please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.